Hi guys, my name is Paul Victor. This is my screencast for CS50 Project 2 Commerce. I will demonstrate all required features including creating auction listings, bidding, watch lists, comments, categories, Django, and interface. Hope you enjoy it.
First thing first, register and login. So I'm going to register a user and it's going to automatically be logged in. So the next thing is creating listing. So I'm going to click on create listing and then I'm going to create an item for auctioning. So there it goes. So next thing is that I'm going to view listing. I'm going to view active listing. Comments. You can add to watch list and also comment. So I'm going to add this item to watch list. We are going to view the watch list. So I've added this item to watch list. Let me now click on watch list menu. There it is. So it's there. And that means the button works correctly. Next thing is I'm going to bid validation. For this, we are going to need to create a second user. And I'm going to click on place bid. Let's see what we have. So you see down here it says bid must be higher than current price. So it does not allow the bidding. That means my validation works perfectly. So by this, I'm going to increase the bidding time to $950. So I'm going to place the bid. So let's see if it's going to work. Successfully bid. Good. So I'm going to add it to watch this also. The next thing is close auction. Close auction. I want to test the close auction if it works. So to do that, I will log out of both. And then I'm going to log in as Alice. Auction. That. So once I close it, let me refresh to see if it's still there. Let me refresh. So let me click on O, and it's not there again. It's gone. So it's gone. Now next thing is the category page. The categories page. So if we want to test the category page, we also need items. So I'll be creating two different types of items. First of all, let me create So now let's go to the category page and see how it works. So which means the category page works quite fine. Now the last thing we are going to do is the admin interface. So for me to do that, I will click on new tab here and then I will type in the address for the admin page. From this place I can I can access all the bits from this place. So I think we only have one bit now, and that's the bit on this Apple MacBook Pro. Just like that. Yeah. So, and I can also add anything to it from this place already. I can add comments if I wish to from this admin page. Let me add comments. So add comments with the user Vico voice. So I added from the admin and then it's going to reflect. Alright, this concludes my screencast for Project 2 Commerce. I've demonstrated all the required features. Thank you very, very much. Bye bye.